How to send campaigns in Klaviyo mobile app. To send campaigns in the Klaviyo mobile app, open the app and log into your account. Tap the menu icon and go to Campaigns. From there, tap the plus icon or Create Campaign button. Choose email as the campaign type and enter a name for your campaign. Next, select your recipient list or segment. This determines who will receive your message. Tap Continue to move on to the content editor. Here, you can choose a template or create your email using Klaviyo's mobile-friendly tools. Add your subject line, preview text, and email content, then review everything carefully. Once your campaign is ready, tap Review and Send. You can either send it immediately or schedule it for later by selecting a specific date and time. After sending, you can return to the Campaigns tab to track performance metrics like opens, clicks, and conversions, all from your phone. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.